Hello friends, welcome to today's machine learning class, and in this class we will see an example for this Bayes theorem, that is medical diagnosis problem. In the medical diagnosis problem we are having two statements. The first one is the patient has a particular form of cancer, this is the first one, and second one, the patient does not have cancer. Okay, this is the second one. So from the available data from a popular laboratory, that is laboratory test with two positive outcomes. First one is the patient is having cancer, that is the positive result, and the patient does not have cancer is the negative result. Right. Here the prior knowledge is in entire population of people only 0.008% have the cancer disease. Okay, and the lab test is only imperfect indicator of this disease. And here we are having two cases, that is the lab produces correct result, that is case 1, and case 2 the lab produces opposite result. Let us see the case 1. The lab produces correct positive result only for 98%. That means if the patient is having cancer, then 98% the lab produces correct result. Okay, and negative result 0.02% the lab produces negative result, and correct negative result only for 97%. Okay, that is if patient does not have cancer, then the lab produces 97% negative result, correct negative result, then 0.03% positive result if the patient does not have cancer. And when come to case 2, the lab gives the opposite result, that is the lab test gives a new patient is positive when he is not actually having cancer, and we need to diagnose the patient is having cancer or not with respect to the lab test, right? This is what our problem. From the given data, P of cancer, that is the probability of people who are having cancer is 0.008 and P of not cancer is 0.009. That is, from the entire population, the people who are not having cancer is 0.992, right? And second one, P of plus with respect to cancer, that is the positive result when cancer is true, which is equal to 0.98. That is, test result is positive when cancer is true, which is equal to 0.98, and the test result is negative when cancer is positive, which is equal to 0.02. That is 1 minus 0.98, which is equal to 0.02. And the next one, the test result is positive when cancer is negative, not cancer, that is equal to 0.03, and the probability of test result is negative when cancer is no cancer, that is not cancer, which is equal to 0.97. That is 1 minus 0.03, which is equal to 0.97. Okay, now suppose the new patient's test result is positive, that is the new patient's lab test result is positive. Now we have to diagnose the patient is having cancer or not with respect to the lab test. Now the Bayes theorem is P of H gives D, which is equal to P of D gives H into P of H divided by P of D, right? We simply substitute the values into the variables, right? P of cancer gives positive, that is if the lab test is positive, then what is the percentage of cancer, that is what we need to identify, right? Here P of positive gives cancer, which is equal to P of cancer, and which is equal to 0.98 into 0.008, which is equal to 0.0078. We simply remove this P of D and P of D here, because both sides we are having the same value, so that we can remove that one. What is the result here? 0.0078. And the next case, P of not cancer with respect to positive test result, which is equal to P of plus gives not cancer into P of not cancer, which is equal to 0.3 into 0.0992, which is equal to 0.0298. Okay, 0.0298. That means the patient does not have cancer. And suppose the new patient's test result is negative. Okay, we should diagnose whether the patient is having cancer or not. Okay, now we are going to apply the same data into this Bayes theorem. Okay, P of cancer when test result is negative, which is equal to P of positive when cancer is true, that is test result is positive when cancer is true, into P of cancer, which is equal to 0.2 into 0.0008, which is equal to 0.00016, and P of not cancer when test result is negative, which is equal to P of negative when not cancer into P of not cancer, which is equal to 0.97 into 0.0992, which is equal to 0.9624. Okay, hence the patient does not have cancer, right? Up to this we have seen an example for the Bayes theorem, that is medical diagnosis problem, and you can expect this from 5-mark question, and you can easily get this 5 marks from the university examination. Thank you.